Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your website ownership in Google Search Console using the HTML tag method with the header footer code manager plugin. Okay, so once on your search tab, go just type Google Search Console just the way I've done here. Then click on the first link, Google Search Console. Once you are there, click on Start Now. Once here, we are going to use the URL prefix because the domain you have to verify the DNS method, the logger method. Let's use a quicker way, the URL prefix. Let's click on that. Then go back to the website dashboard, the WordPress dashboard. Click on, paste the link you're working on, the website link you're working on. I'll just copy this, sorry. No. Okay. I'll just copy that. Then go back. Then paste that URL here, the URL link here. I'll just delete the WP. Okay, then click on continue. Let's wait for it to load. Yeah, once done that way, scroll down. Then once on the HTML tag, click on it. On the drop down menu, there is this code, the meta name, Google Site Verification. Copy it. Once copied, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Then move over to plugins this way. Then once you're on the plugins, click on add plugin. Once done, just come over here and search header footer code manager. Once we are there, click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, let's activate it. Once the plugin is active, I'll go to header footer code manager now and click on add new snippet. Okay, just follow my lead. Yeah, so once we are here, click on add new snippet. Once done, let's give this snippet name. Let's give it a name like Google Site Verification. Okay, that way, that's okay. Leave everything the way it is. They are here. The HTML, the site-wide site display, it is site-wide. Snippet type is HTML, and the location is header. That's okay. It's correct that way. Don't change anything. Now paste the code you copied from the Google Search Console here on this code box. Now once done, click save. Now once saved, go back. Let's go back to our Google Search Console, then click on verify. And that's it. We just verified this website in Google Search Console using the HTML tag and the header footer code manager plugin. From here, you can start monitoring your performance, fixing issues and improving your SEO. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out my other tutorials. Subscribe, like and share. I appreciate your support. Thank you and thank you again.